Ethan was a hard-working single dad who earned his living repairing old vehicles in a quiet neighborhood garage. Every dollar mattered because he wanted to provide a better future for his young daughter. Instead of chasing expensive dreams, he believed patience, honesty, and practical knowledge could transform ordinary opportunities into extraordinary success for determined people. One Saturday morning, Ethan visited a forgotten countryside estate where an elderly widow planned to clear decades of abandoned belongings. Rusted farm tools, broken furniture, and neglected machinery filled the property. Hidden beneath a faded tarp sat a tiny vintage sports car covered with dust, leaves, and years of complete neglect beside an old wooden barn. The widow explained that nobody wanted the strange little car because it refused to start and looked beyond saving. She offered everything on the property at bargain prices. Ethan carefully inspected the forgotten automobile, noticing unusual craftsmanship beneath the rust. Trusting experience, he purchased the vehicle for only $120, surprising everyone watching nearby. Neighbors laughed openly when Ethan returned home towing the shabby car behind his old pickup truck. Several people joked that he had wasted precious money. Ethan ignored every insult, rolled the vehicle into his modest garage, and promised his smiling daughter they would discover whether hidden value still existed beneath decades of dust and neglect. During the following weeks, Ethan worked every evening after completing customer repairs. He carefully removed damaged panels, cleaned forgotten components, repaired wiring, rebuilt the engine, and polished original chrome pieces. Instead of replacing everything, he preserved authentic factory parts whenever possible. His daughter eagerly handed him tools while learning valuable lessons about perseverance and responsibility. As the restoration progressed, the little car slowly revealed elegant engineering, unlike ordinary production vehicles. Hidden markings appeared beneath layers of grime, while unique chassis numbers matched records unavailable in standard databases. Curious historians contacted Ethan after seeing photographs online, suggesting the mysterious automobile might possess an extraordinary story waiting to be uncovered completely. Meanwhile, a successful automotive technology company announced a community exhibition celebrating remarkable restoration projects. The event was organized by Sophia, a confident young CEO known for promoting innovation. She invited local mechanics, collectors, engineers, and enthusiasts to display unique vehicles. Ethan registered quietly, expecting appreciation rather than attention or recognition from influential industry leaders attending together. When Ethan arrived, polished supercars filled the exhibition hall. Luxury brands reflected brilliant showroom lights, while expensive custom builds attracted photographers. Ethan parked his restored little car in a simple corner beside handmade information boards explaining the restoration journey. Visitors admired his dedication, although many overlooked the modest vehicle compared with glamorous machines surrounding it everywhere. Sophia eventually approached Ethan while reviewing exhibition entries. Seeing the humble car, she smiled politely before reading the purchase price displayed on the information board. Laughing lightly, she remarked that spending weeks restoring a $120 automobile seemed foolish when greater opportunities existed elsewhere. Nearby guests chuckled, assuming the CEO's opinion reflected unquestionable business wisdom. Ethan simply thanked Sophia for visiting and invited her to examine the vehicle more closely before judging it. Without arguing, he opened the hood and explained several unusual engineering features. Sophia listened briefly, but remained unconvinced. She wished him luck before continuing through the exhibition, believing the tiny automobile held little genuine importance or historical significance. Later that afternoon, an internationally respected automotive historian unexpectedly stopped beside Ethan's display. His expression changed instantly after studying hidden identification plates beneath the dashboard. Calling several colleagues immediately, he requested specialized reference documents. Within minutes, experts surrounded the vehicle, carefully verifying details rarely seen outside prestigious museums or exclusive private collections worldwide today. Their investigation uncovered astonishing evidence. The humble automobile represented one of the earliest hand-built engineering prototypes created before limited production began. Several innovative mechanical systems later influenced famous performance vehicles worldwide. Only a handful had survived intact. Ethan's careful restoration preserved nearly every original component, making the discovery exceptionally valuable among serious collectors and automotive historians alike. News spread rapidly throughout the exhibition. Journalists hurried toward Ethan's display while photographers captured every angle. Sophia returned immediately after hearing excited conversations. Watching respected experts praise the little car, she realized her earlier assumptions had been completely wrong. The modest mechanic she dismissed possessed remarkable knowledge, patience, and respect for automotive history beyond ordinary expectations. Several wealthy collectors approached Ethan privately with purchase offers. The first suggested $500,000. Another immediately increased the amount beyond $1 million. Each proposal shocked nearby visitors. Ethan remained calm, refusing to rush such an important decision. His daughter smiled proudly, remembering everyone who laughed when the forgotten vehicle first arrived home behind their aging truck. Sophia sincerely apologized before the gathered crowd. She admitted judging both the mechanic and the car, based entirely upon appearances rather than facts. Ethan accepted her apology graciously, explaining genuine value often hides beneath ordinary surfaces. People nodded thoughtfully, recognizing the powerful lesson unfolding before them through humility, patience, and honest craftsmanship instead of wealth or reputation. A respected automotive museum eventually negotiated a final agreement, promising to preserve the remarkable prototype while honoring Ethan's restoration work permanently. The generous payment transformed his family's future without compromising the vehicle's historical importance. His daughter celebrated excitedly, knowing her father's dedication had earned worldwide recognition through integrity instead of shortcuts or unnecessary publicity and pride. With the proceeds, Ethan expanded his small garage into a restoration academy where young mechanics learned traditional skills alongside modern technology. Scholarships welcomed students unable to afford expensive education. Sophia partnered with the academy, funding training programs because she believed overlooked talent deserved meaningful opportunities. Their collaboration inspired countless people throughout the automotive community every single year. Looking back, Ethan never considered the greatest reward to be money alone. The real treasure was proving that wisdom, patience, and character could outshine wealth and first impressions. A car purchased for only $120 reminded everyone that extraordinary secrets often remain hidden until someone chooses curiosity over judgment and compassion over arrogance.